Alright guys, I told you I would bring you back when I got ready to actually plant the seed, okay? So I want to tell you that in here, I have some regular old potting soil mixed with a little bit of perlite. Now, some of you guys might not like what I'm getting ready to do, but I will tell you why I'm doing what I do. This right here is rice flour. I'm going to add a little bit to my dirt because I just want to. Rice flour actually helps your plants. Just a little bit. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Look at that. That's a lot to me. That's a lot, right? Because it's just a seed starting mix, right? But this is going to help it to develop strong roots, okay? And things like that. And we're going to actually put some nutmeg to prevent mold. Just a little bit. Because I'm telling you, my 3 other times, these things molded. And I don't want that to happen. And I think it was also because, like I said, the environment. Like, let me show you guys something. A lot of times I would try to start my seeds and stuff like this. No holes whatsoever. Things would mold instantly. There's no way they could breathe. I have to go in there every day go like this. I'm not going to be doing all of that. Who got time for all of that? So we don't use this anymore to like germinate things in because it doesn't make any sense to, because I'm not going to be putting holes and stuff like this. I'm not going to be using this for something else. You know, this is a whole cup. It's 1 cup. You know, a measuring thing. Right. So we're not going to do that. But these clay trays we can have for a very long time. And they're easily cleanable. And we can see how things grow. We can put stickers on them and labels. And it's going to be so much fun. Yay. Okay. Trying to not do a very long video. You guys don't like to watch my longer videos, so I try to keep it short. If you like the videos, please like, share, subscribe, so the algorithm can know that you like me, guys. Okay? Okay. Enough of that. I don't like asking people to subscribe to my channel and stuff. You know, I think if you like me, you will subscribe. And if I'm helpful to you, you will subscribe. You know? That's what I think anyway. But let me work fast. Because they say people's attention span, which I really don't believe that it is people's attention span. I believe it is people's flavor for who they want to watch. That's what I think it is. It's all about who you like. What type of personality do you like to watch? And see, I don't have all that fancy music and stuff, and I don't talk a whole lot. I'm talking a whole lot right now, but I don't really talk a whole lot. I like to just show. So, and I don't got time to be making no music and intros and outros and stuff, you know. I'm just trying to share my journey, pretty much. I'm not trying to have no sponsors. I'm not trying to blow up my channel. I'm just trying to show folks how I garden over here in Zone 5B. And yes, I could try to grow tropicals if I want to. That's the whole point of my channel. Just showing people that you could try anything if you want to. Okay? Video's starting to get long. Let me hurry up. Let's moisten the soil. Okay. See, we like fast draining soil. Add a little bit more dirt. We don't want too much water, of course. I don't believe these seeds like a lot of water either. They're tropical plants, so you know, just starting out, they don't want a whole lot of that after being soaked for 6 days straight in a lot of water. So now I'm sure these guys are ready for some humidity. I'm just chopping the dirt like this because I'm pretty sure that they like loose dirt. You know, we don't want them to be like stuck where they can't move around. That looks good. I wanted to show you guys each individual seed just to once again show you we have some action. Action there, and a little action there at the bottom as well. Can you see it? So I'm just gonna lay them flat. Action there, little action there. I hope you guys can see that. And that is like 2 inches apart. Now I gotta work fast because the video's getting long. Let's go, Felicia, let's go. Again, we want them to be able to move. I think that was a problem that I had my previous times. Having them just like stuck. Like they couldn't do nothing. Like they was just like in there. Like for real. And we will monitor these very closely. I think we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Yay! Okay, we are just gonna lay just a little bit of dirt on top. And guess what? We are not gonna water it. Nope. Like I say, they already been in water. We're just gonna put a very light coat on top, like so. Okay, guys, that was a fly. They like my house. They really do. You know why? I'm in and out the doors all the time. Okay. We are not going to water this in. Like I said, I know what I'm talking about. Okay. I already watered the dirt. So, seeds been soaking for 6 days in water. I think we're okay with that. That's it, guys. Check you later.